Minimization of DFA. Hello everyone! So for today's video, I am going to show and explain to all of you the minimization of DFA. So before anything else, let us know first the parts of the graph, the different parts of the graph. So right here, this right here is the initial state or the starting state. And then each each variable that is inside this circle are the set of states right here, A, B, and this last part. And the accepting state is this one with the double circle. Yeah, the double circle. This is called the accepting state or the final state. Now here is our graph. So since we will just be minimizing the DFA, the graph will already be given. So since the graph is already given, we will now make a transition table. In order to make the transition table, we must write all the states on the left side from Q sub 0 to Q sub 4. Now Q sub 0 given 0 is Q sub 1, so we will write Q sub 1. Q sub 0 given 1 is Q sub 2, so we will also write Q sub 2 under 1. So the same process will be done until you reach the last state. Now we will divide the set of states into two: the non-final states and the final state or states. Now, if two states of a set are distinguishable, we will split the sets into different sets. Now, Q sub 0 given 0 is Q sub 1, and Q sub 1 given 0 is Q sub 1. They are still on the same set. Q sub 0 given 1 is Q sub 2, and Q sub 1 given 1 is Q sub 3. So, they are still on the same set. Now let us compare Q sub 0 to Q sub 2. Q sub 0 given 0 is Q sub 1, and Q sub 2 given 0 is Q sub 1. They're still on the same set. Now, Q sub 0 given 1 is Q sub 2, and Q sub 2 given 1 is Q sub 2. So they're still on the same set. So now let us compare Q sub 0 and Q sub 3. Q sub 0 given 0 is Q sub 1. Q sub 3 given 0 is Q sub 1, so they're still the same. Q sub 0 given 1 is Q sub 2, and Q sub 3 given 1 is Q sub 4. Now, they do not belong in the same set anymore. So what we need to do is distinguish Q sub 3 to the first set. And then copy Q sub 4. Now we have another new set here. So we need to do the same process that we did earlier. So we need to compare Q sub 0 and Q sub 1. So Q sub 0 given 0 is Q sub 1. Q sub 1 given 0 is Q sub 1. They're still at the same set. Q sub 0 given 1 is Q sub 2. Q sub 1 given 1 is Q sub 3. Now, they're not on the same group anymore, so we need to distinguish Q sub 1 to the group. Now we need to compare Q sub 0 and Q sub 2. Q sub 0 given 0 is Q sub 1. Q sub 2 given 0 is Q sub 1. So they're the same. And Q sub 0 given 1 is Q sub 2. Q sub 2 given 1 is Q sub 2. So they belong in the same group. So we don't need to distinguish it. Then we copy Q sub 3 and Q sub 4. Now we just need to repeat the same process over and over again until the result will be the same as the previous one. That just means that our answer is right or is finalized. Now for the last part, we need to make a graph, the minimized version of the graph that we have shown in the first part. Now in making this graph, we need to group together the ones that are not distinguished from the group. In making this graph, we need to check and base it on the transition table.